Yes, ready. Madam Deputy Chairman, I welcome this bill. However, while welcoming this bill, I have no illusion that this bill would go that far to solve all the problems of the handlooms industry. Stop. It has been rightly mentioned in the bill that there is lack of marketing facility in this industry, and as a result of that the entire industry is in crisis. Stop. It is not only the textile industry which is in crisis, but all the industries in the country are in crisis. Stop. In a country like ours, where a large number of people are below the poverty line, it is a stupendous task to keep the industries going. Stop. Therefore, in such a situation, it is not possible to protect the handloom industry alone while almost all industries are in trouble. Stop. If anybody wants to do so, it would at the most be only wishful thinking, not a practicable proposition. Stop. Madam, a committee was appointed to go into the problems of this industry. Stop. That committee was of the view that the crisis in this industry is mainly due to the poor purchasing power of the people in the rural areas. Stop. There is a glut in the market. Handloom industry is not alone. There is crisis in other industries as well as. Stop. Madam, out of 800 textile mills, about 100 or 120 are in crisis. They are either sick or under closure and therefore not working. Stop. Now we are told that government is going to announce a new textile policy. Stop. The country is passing through a crisis. Stop. I do not know how far this bill will go in solving this problem. Stop. Madam, another thing which cannot be ignored is that the industry in each state has its own problems. Stop. People of each state have their own tastes and attitudes as far as the products of this industry are concerned. Stop. People of Andhra might like something. Stop. What is liked by Malayalis may not be liked by the people of Karnataka. Stop. Bengalis and Biharis have their own tastes. Stop. Therefore, we cannot do something uniformly to protect this industry which has its own ramifications in different parts of the country. Stop. Therefore, this reservation order, even if it is for export, may not uniformly apply to all the states. Stop. I do not know how far the center-state relations will come to play any role in solving this problem. Stop. Anyway, that also needs to be sorted out. Stop. Para. Madam, the main obstacle in the way of this industry successfully competing with mills and power looms is the high cost of yarn and other inputs. Stop. Yarn is the most important input for this industry stop. If only we can regularly supply yarn to this industry at X mill price without excise duty and other taxes, we can hope to save this industry from the crisis in which it finds itself today. Stop. Secondly, chemical and dyes should be made available to them at cheaper rates. Stop. Thirdly, the marketing of their products should be interested to cooperative societies. Stop. And lastly, there should be some arrangement for nationalization of the marketing of products of this industry. Stop. These are some of the primary steps which are urgently needed to be taken for protecting the workers and the industry itself. Stop. Madam, in an age which has made tremendous progress towards computerization and other technological advancements, how long this industry can be expected to rend for itself. Stop. When such an industry is left to compete with mill and powerloom sectors, it is bound to fail gradually. Stop. Therefore, the question naturally arises is about diverting the workers and their children to other industries for their rehabilitation. Stop. Are we taking any steps in this regard? Sign of interrogation. Do they expect to solve all these problems through this reservation order? Sign of interrogation. Para. Madam, I am reminded of one thing here. Stop. What is the extent of our cloth production? Sign of interrogation. The targeted 12 meter per head is still not available. Stop. The target during 1978-79 was 17 meters per head. Stop. But what actually produced was 14. Stop. What is the present position? Sign of interrogation. It has come down to 12. Now, if we think of seeking relief from export, the quantum of export also has gone down. Stop. We have been exporting to countries like America during the last 4 or 5 years. Stop.